Towards the end of the last century, as the population of Assam has reached 3 crores, the number of individuals suffering from various mental disorders has also shown an upward trend. The existing system of psychiatric interventions were limited to clinical treatment only, without any scope for rehabilitation facilities. Therefore, to remove a vacuum in the area of psychiatric rehabilitation in the state of Assam as well as in the northeast, Ashadeep was formed with a few family caregivers in the year 1996.
The Day Rehabilitation Center of Ashadeep was established in 1996. In this center, children with intellectual disability and associated disorders and individuals recovering from mental illness are intervened with rehabilitation inputs. Besides imparting conventional education, training on living skills, social skills, communication skills, and pre-vocational skills are also provided. In addition, therapeutic interventions such as music, dance, drama, and play therapies along with speech therapy and family counseling are given utmost importance. Sports is given special emphasis. All the students have been registered under Special Olympics Bharat. Many of them have got laurels in various disciplines of sports. A major component of this center is the sheltered workshop where vocational skill development of the individual is undertaken. Once they become productive, an incentive is provided to them which not only facilitates income generation but also acts as major motivational force in their recovery process. In 2004, Rashmi, a halfway home for women with mental illness, was started where residential rehabilitation for women was provided. Psychosocial rehabilitation approach is followed with special emphasis on vocational skill development and livelihood generation activities. In 2005, Project Navachetna was launched for homeless mentally ill women. Funded by Sir Ratan Tata Trust, the main objectives of this project was rescue of such women from the streets, providing them with care, treatment, and finally reintegrate them with their families. Scientific tools and approaches such as growth chart, mental status examination and assessment, positive and negative symptom scale, Indian Disability Examination and Assessment Scale, and global assessment functioning are used to assess the mental status of the residents. A team of qualified personnel, including psychiatrists, psychologists, counselors, social workers, and trained healthcare staff, overlook this entire process. Vocational training not only acts as part of therapy but also facilitates income generation activities amongst these women. Ashadeep has supported a few women who have been reintegrated and have weaving skills with looms and raw materials so that they can earn a livelihood. Once the women are successfully rehabilitated and reintegrated, follow-up support in terms of treatment, counseling, and free medicine supply are provided at regular intervals. A weekly outdoor clinic by Ashadeep has been very useful in maintaining follow-up. This clinic not only benefits past residents of Navachetna but also caters to the community at large. Free consultation on mental health is provided by a psychiatrist and trained staff members of Ashadeep. To create access to psychiatric intervention in rural areas where such services were not available, an outreach program was initiated from the year 2006 to 2012. Monthly mental health camps consisting of free dispersal of psychiatric medicines, consultations, and capacity building of the local NGO and government health centers were held in over 7 districts of Assam. Community Mental Health Program of Ashadeep is a more intensive outreach intervention which is being implemented in Sipajhar, Mayong, and Boko block of Assam. It is aimed at empowering the community as a whole by partnering with a local NGO and the district health administration. The major activities of the program consist of training of general doctors and grassroots workers on mental health, sensitization of the community, identification and referral of persons with mental illness to primary health centers, their treatment and psychosocial rehabilitation through caregivers training, follow-up to ensure continuation of medication, and facilitation of income generation activities among such persons. In 2009, a resource center was created by Ashadeep with the objective of reaching out to other stakeholders such as police, government officials, school and college students, multipurpose health workers, and other civil society bodies. The prime activities of this center have been sensitization, orientation and training, research and documentation, and advocacy on the issues of mental health. Advocacy with the government has made Ashadeep more involved with policy-making bodies on mental health. A major outcome of such advocacy has been the collaboration of Ashadeep with Social Welfare Department, Government of Assam, for creating rehabilitation facilities for homeless men with mental illness. Based on the Navachetna model of rehabilitation, it is a 40-bedded home located amidst the lush green environment inside PL Complex, Bamunigaon. In 2012, a telephonic helpline named Paritranam was initiated through which counseling is being provided for almost every aspect of mental health. Ashadeep has always thrived for the cause of mental health, which has often been neglected in the broad spectrum of healthcare. These efforts were given due recognition when prestigious national awards like India NGO Awards, Edelgift Social Innovation Honours, CSO Partners Outstanding Annual Reports were conferred to Ashadeep, and the National Commission for Women honoured Dr. Anjana Goswami, who is the founder director of Ashadeep in 2012. Ability, the Ashadeep shop, was created in 2011. It is a sale outlet for products created at the sheltered workshop of Ashadeep. A smile on these faces is a step forward towards Ashadeep's vision of achieving a life of better quality for persons with mental disorders and their families.